Hi YouTube family, I'm back with another video and I'm going to be showing you how to make my vanilla hemp milk. I don't like regular milk and I'm vegan, so I don't drink milk. And I used to buy the hemp milk in the stores, but I was like, why buy this for like $5 in like a little square container when I can just make my own? So I Googled a recipe and I figured it out, and so I'm bringing it to you guys. So we're going to be making the vanilla hemp milk. So first off, what you're going to need is your strainer. You're going to need your blender. Yes, my favorite, quiet blender. And your vanilla extract. Your hemp hearts. And you are going to need 4 cups of water. Now this is crystal geyser water. This is what I'm using. So, all right, so let's get started. So first off, you're gonna grab your blender. We're going to use a 1/2 cup of the hemp hearts. You guys can't really see that, but this is 1/2 cup. So gonna get our hemp hearts, 1/2 cup, pour it in there. Now this is 4 cups of water measured out. We're going to blend this. Don't forget your quiet shield. I hope you guys bought one of these blenders. I love this blender. This is the Hamilton Beach Professional. And it will be linked down in the description box. So we're going to blend this. All right, now that this is blended, now we're going to have to strain it. So I have one of these plastic things that I put my milk in. I just put it back in the refrigerator. That's what I store it in. I'm going to strain this. All right, that's what's left over. That's all those hemp parts, but see, your hemp milk is nice and thick. All right, now we're going to add our vanilla. You only want a little bit. You don't have to put a lot. And you can get this at Dollar Tree. That might have been a little bit much, but I do like vanilla. I put vanilla in pretty much everything. It's like my secret ingredient to all my recipes. All right, so now we're just gonna mix it. And that's how I make my vanilla hemp milk. And then you just put it in the refrigerator and it lasts for like 4 to 5 days. And also, if you want to make it sweeter, you can add agave, but I don't really like sweet stuff that much, so the vanilla makes it sweet enough for me because I'm usually just putting this in like my smoothies or like my cereal or something. So, all right, thank you YouTube. Thanks for watching this video, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate you guys, and I'll be back with another video. This hemp milk, I made this because I'm going to be using this in a video to make sea moss smoothie popsicles. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys later. Bye.